Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to order from Crumbl app on your device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as I have already said, the Crumbl cookies app lets you order gourmet cookies, view weekly flavors, customize orders on rewards, and find nearby stores. You can purchase gift cards and track your loyalty points too. So now to know how to order, you need to follow a few steps, such as first step is download and open the Crumbl app. If you do not have it yet, download the app from the App Store or from the Play Store, and you need to make sure that you have created an account or logged in if you have already have one. So and the third is you just need to check out the weekly rotating flavors or select from classic favorite, and then you need to just tap on the cookies you want to order. You can select a single cookie or box of cookies or even customize your order. And now after customizing your order, you need to choose whether you want to pick up your order at the store or have it delivered to your location if available in your area. And then once you have selected your cookies, tap on add to cart, and when you are ready, proceed to checkout. Enter your payments details and complete the purchase to pay for your order. And finally, if you choose pickup, go to your selected store. If you choose delivery, your cookies will be delivered to your address. So pick up or wait for delivery, and that's it. Enjoy your delicious cookies. So let me know if you need more help in our comment section below. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.